Hello fellow drivers, so I'm going to show you quickly how to format your SD card. First thing you want to do is make sure that we are not recording. So as you see there, you'll see a red dot blinking. Hit the bottom left OK button. That'll stop it from recording. Then you would want to hit the menu button. Hit that button twice, use your down arrow until you are able to find format. Hit OK, and you have quickly formatted your SD cards. When you format, it's going to format your top SD card, which is for your front facing and your fourth optional camera. When you format your card, it's also going to format the bottom SD card, which are recording your two outside cameras. So that is how you format your card. Hit OK. To get back to your main menu, hit the menu button, and now you are on your front facing camera. Hit the OK button, and now you are recording. Thank you for watching.